Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm in Ohrid, Macedonia, and I'm at the fortress, the castle. Let me show you the sign here and then we'll go inside. There's a tourist group coming, so I want to beat the tourists. The Samuil's Fortress is what it's called, and this is what it looks like here. And then here's some information about it, and I'm going to encourage you to hit pause as you read, because I can't read it all to you. 209 BC, largest medieval fortification construction in Macedonia. Very cool. Okay, and it is amazing and gorgeous, and it looks incredible. Wow. Wow. Well, let me get up here and get a ticket, and we'll go from there. Excuse me. Ticket?
How many?
Just one.
Just one? 150.
Okay, so this is the inside, and it looks like you can go halfway this way, and there's another half this way. He said you go up to the right if you want to see the lake, you go up left if you want to see the new town. So and I asked him what's the best, and he said the lake is the best. So we're gonna go this way. So this is the largest fortress in Macedonia. Wow. Pretty amazing. Huh. And so it looks like I got choices here, but I think I'm going to stick to the right. You know, it's really nice having a guardrail here. You know, after that other fortress the other day at whatchamacallit, it's nice to have a retaining wall. Wow, look at that. That's pretty amazing. Wow. And you can see some of the old houses and the buildings down there and the structures. Huh. Very cool. And they blocked off the tower. Oh, I guess I know why they... Yeah, we don't want to go in there. Here's a hump. Ugh. And you really could just step right over this. Not that you want to, but look how big the lake is. That's enormous. Neat. Huh. Sorry. Oh, I see. So this goes to here and ends. And then that other side, it looks like you go up this one, and it goes around there and ends over there. Oh, and this is the new city over there. You know, I wonder, I guess this hole used to probably be stairs, eh? Is that what you guys would guess too? Because it probably goes all the way down to down there somewhere. It looks like there's a hole right there, so, or it used to be a hole maybe, I don't know. But yeah, they'd have to have a way to get up here to defend the castle, huh? Oh, somebody's flying a drone. Huh. Very cool. Thank you. Fala. Look at the beach way down there too. Wow. That is a big lake. And look how tall this wall is too. It's huge. Very cool. There must have been a well in the middle, huh? At one point in time. Up and over the hump with the slippery rocks. Hey, Dad. Thanks, man. And now we go down this. Oh my gosh. And up that. Where does that get to? And another hole that you can't enter. Boy, that is really steep. Can you see that? Crazy. All right, well. And they're big steps. Well, this one we can go in. Well, you can't see anything out here. Defensive holes. Huh. All right, well. It's a scary little transition. Oops, why is it viewing me? That ain't right. Hey, no, turn around. Oh, because maybe I was bent over? I don't know. Okay, little camera. Wow. Whew. There's my room over there. Oh, and there's one of the churches to see. Cool. Huh. And this is Newtown, right? Neat. Okay, well, I don't think there's too much more to see the other way. See if I can level out my camera a bit. There we go, that helps. Very cool. Okay. Very cool, very cool. And look how steep these stairs are. Crazy. Okay, everybody. Hey, thanks for coming with me. Thanks for sharing my travels with me. Thanks for seeing the castle in Ohrid, Macedonia. Pretty neat. Cool. Oh, and you can really see the church well from here. Huh. Amazing. Silly little camera sometimes. Cool. Okay, everybody. That's it for me. There we go. Now I got the zoom to work. Too many buttons. Okay. Bye, everybody.